Hi friends, here it comes Kenwood Essence Collection Kitten. It's really good one. Make your breakfast very easy. So it's very portable and you can carry anywhere. So you can check it out here. 1.7 liter, the capacity of this kettle, and 2.2 kilowatts. So it's really very easy to use. Let me unbox it and let me show how exactly it looks. So here it comes, my new kettle from Kenwood. Here's a quick manual. You can go to this manual before use. So the model number is SJP01, a really good one. And the body is very good, perfect. So here is the key that you can open. If you press the key, and here you can see there is a transparent. You can check it out how much liter of water you have poured in this kettle. So really it's one of the good kettle if you are looking out for. So this is the base. You have to connect in this base and you have to plug into the socket. Then it's really good one. So thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel.